Hey, what's up, guys? It's Josh over here from AMS Performance. So we've got a little bit of a unique situation that has bestowed upon us this wintertime. So a local dealer of ours did not feel like having the transmission diagnosed or trying to go through the warranty process. And guess what? That falls upon us. So we've got a 2017 Audi R8 Performance Plus here. We're going to take a look at the transmission. Customers kind of described some odd gear issues. We're going to take a look, see if we can diagnose it, see if we could fix it, see what the recommendation is.
It doesn't look up in there?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah.
It does. It sounds like a dying power steering pump.
Yeah.
Huh.
So basically, I can take this apart, and if I break it, I have this, right?
Yeah.
Does everyone agree with me?
You like not even break it?
I mean, I might have broke it.
Ooh.
That's not too good, I would say.
Was that friction material?
That's friction.
You had to fold that through the other side.
So before wave springs, they had little rubbers.
Really?
They would keep it separated.
Like some kind of silicone springing
Yes.
boy in there?
Yes.
Here's your problem.
Damn.
So this thing must have smoked the Datsun clutch, so they threw a stock on there. That's why there's a stock clutch in those baskets. This is the clean side of the filter. This is the dirty. So I think we found our cavitation with trans. We do have Datsun pans and filter kits, so we would put it together with Datsun pan filter kit for goes in it as a replaceable filter.
We found within the TCM itself, we were getting codes for the B-fork shift position was actually incorrect. A little bit more fact-finding upon this, we found the vehicle was a previously built turboed car. The dealer took it in on trade. They went ahead and pulled everything off. Found that again, they were having some issues, obviously, like previously mentioned with the transmission in terms of the odd gear operation, called us. So our recommendation to the dealer was to go ahead and perform some diagnostic to it. Run it through the gears, put it on our dyno, see what, if any, information we could find. Right away, our outstanding tuners here, Jake and Miles Compton, pretty much found out that first and foremost, the car wasn't able to put transmission fluid through the system itself correctly. So that was kind of a little bit of a concern. So we put the car on the rack after we got approval from the dealer. We found, I mean, it looked like some South Georgian mud was caked in this trans pan, which thank goodness it did not work its way in through the transmission itself. Would have spelled catastrophic issues with the dealer car here. Aside from that, our recommendation is obviously put a new pan in it, get a new trans pan filter, our AMS billet serviceable filter as well, topped it off with 14 quarts of fresh DCT trans fluid on top of that.
Jesus Christ! Went it badly.
Trying to get an estimate here. So, it's doing something really wrong. I wonder if it was popping it in and out of gear. It looks like it was popping out. They might be trying to do that because it's the wrong ratio. But I'm gonna see if I can calculate the ratios.
The only other thing that our tuners noted was it looked like there was not a TCU file in the car. So we're able to put the car back on the dyno after all the work was completed, ran it through the gears. We put a pretty stout, like stock, I guess you could say, TCU flash in it. We have since gone through. We've done some extensive mileage testing for this Audi R8, and she's good to go. This is just a testament to what we're able to do here at AMS Performance. Standard DL800 is going to sit you back roughly $35,000 to $40,000, and we were able to get the dealer taken care of for roughly 10% of what that cost actually is. So all it really needed was a pretty stout TCU tuning option here from AMS Performance. We needed some good fluid, a couple filters, a nice transpan, billet transpan I should point out, and some extensive road testing. And this Audi R8, this 2017 Audi R8 Performance Plus is good to get back on the road. And hopefully the local dealer around us will get this car sold and the next customer will be happy.